Hello, you are welcome to Math Simplify. And in today's lesson, we are going to solve questions under coordinate geometry. Okay, I have these two questions on the board which we are going to solve. And if you're able to listen carefully, you can solve any question under distance of coordinate geometry. Let's solve this one first. Here we are asked that find the distance between this point and this point. How do we solve it? Let's solve it together on the board. Okay. So simply we say what solution. Okay. The formula for finding distance of 2 points is what? Distance, which is d, equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, so the first point become the x1 and the y1. The second point become x2 and y2. So you fix them into the values. The first number is x value and the second one is what? Y value. Okay, so here let's proceed. We take the square root of x2 here is what? 7. So I have 7 minus x1, which is 3. You square it plus y2, which is 1, minus y what? Y1, which is what? 4. You square it. Okay, you proceed. This and this will give us 4 square, and this will give us what? Plus negative 3 square. Okay, now we can proceed again by saying that d, which is the distance, equal to square root of 4 square will give us what? 16. Negative 3 square will give us positive 9. Okay, so I have plus 9. This one will again give us what? Square root of what? 16 plus 9 will give us 25. So I have what? 25. So distance is equal to the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is a number that when you multiply the number by itself, you get 25. And obviously 5 multiplied by 5 will give us 25. Okay, so the square root of 25 is what? 5. Okay, so distance is equal to 5. And when you are solving questions under coordinate geometry, when you get your distance, you leave it in what? Units. So the answer is what? 5 units. If you have enjoyed the lesson or this is your first time of watching my lesson, I would plead that you subscribe, like, and also share this particular post to reach more people. So this is how you solve when you are given 2 points and you're asked to find the distance. Here we are given what? The distance, which is what? 4 units. And I asked to find the value of m here. This particular value is missing here. How do we solve that? We also start by solution. Okay, we quote the formula distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, we also fix the values there. We know that distance is given as what? 4. So I have what? 4 here equal to the square root of x2 here is what? M. So I have m minus x1, which is 7 square plus y2, which is what? Negative 1, minus y1, which is negative 2. So negative 5. So I have negative 5 square this way. Let's proceed. We have 4 equal to the square root of m minus 7 square. Let's keep it because there's a variable here. Let's keep it like that. Plus this one will give us negative 1 plus 5 square because this negative negative will give us positive. Okay, so we have 4 equal to m minus 7 square plus this will give us what? 4 square, isn't it? Negative 1 plus 5 will give us 4. Then our square is attached to it. Okay, now Let's proceed. We have 4 equal to the square root of m minus 7 square plus 16. 4 square will give us 16. Okay, we proceed again. We have 4 equal to the square root of m minus 7 square plus 16. We are going to remove the square root, and when you are going to remove the square root, anytime you have a problem like this, you take the square root of both sides. You take square of both sides because there's square root already. You square both sides. So you square here and also square here. So this square and this square root will go. Okay. We now have 4 square will give us 16. We have 16 equal to m minus 7 square plus 16. The square root is now gone. Okay. Let's bring it here. 16 is here, 16 is here. We are going to group like terms. We'll bring this 16 here and leave m minus 7 square at one side. Okay. So I have 16, this 16 minus this 16. Because it is positive here, it becomes minus 16 equal to m minus 7 square this way. Okay. Now, this and this will give us 0. So I have 0 equal to m minus 7 square. Okay. Since there's still exponent 2 here, we apply square root at both sides to remove the exponent 2. Okay. So square here, 0 square, square root of 0 equal to square root of m minus 7 square. So this square and square root will go. Square root of 0 will give us 0 equal to m minus 7. The exponent 2 is gone. We group like terms here. We add 7 here and add 7 here. This will give us 0. And this also give us 7 equal to m. And this is the final answer. M is equal to 7. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well by liking, comment, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in the next video.